Alright, hey friends, I'm going to show you how to do this whole pack editor bullcrap. It's actually pretty simple for at least what I'm trying to do for this, so let's just get started. Um, so first you're just going to want to make a save slot, and I'll try to go as slow as of a pace I can, but try not to make it as long for you guys. So if you need to, just pause it. I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to go to save, up in here, top left, go to save, and go to new file. And then just name it, I'm going to call it long neck example 2, because I already made an example by myself. I'm going to name it that, and just make sure it's saved, so boom. And then you're going to want to click on my outfit, and you're going to want to click on group. And then you're going to want to do that again. You're going to go to outfit and click on group. Then you're going to rename it. So you're going to go down. And this is just kind of like for memory, so you don't forget. So you're going to want to right click on the first one where it says 0 children and call it hiding. So see, it's called hiding. Then you're going to want to go to the second group, go down to the bottom left, and name it seeking. So now that we got hiding and seeking, you're going to want to right click on seeking, press on entity, then you're going to want to right click on seeking and do the same thing. Click entity, and what that'll do is you'll just basically make player model. Pretty simple. And then on both hiding and seeking, we're also going to want to make a bone. So we're going to go to entity or model and go to bone. Go to seeking, right click, entity, bone. And then after that, we're going to want to go to player model for the hiding. And we are going to go to size and make that exactly 0.675. I believe is the size that I want to make my character. If not, then if it's not the exact size, I can just, run it back with you guys later. But that I'm pretty sure that's the size. And then you're going to want to go to the head, make sure the bone is on head, which it already is. It automatically goes to head. You're going to want to go to position, and you're going to want to remember these numbers because these are the numbers that I have mine set to. So the position, so the first one on the left, 36.4. And you see it makes my leg, not my leg, my neck super long. And then you're going to want to go to the middle number down here, right, double click and do negative 5.9. Boom. And that just kind of brought out my head farther a little bit. And I actually made a mistake. That was for the seeking team. So let me actually bring this one and bring this one. And it kind of just swapped them, I guess. So yeah, because this would be for the seeking team. And then for the hiding team, so let me, in that case, bring my hiding size back, there, and then my player model, yep. Alright, just making sure everything's good. Yep, everything is good. Sorry, I just got a little sidetracked. Anyway, we want to go to the actual hiding head now, and just go to size down here, bottom left, make the size, I believe it was 1.475. Makes the head super huge. Let me also hide this so you can kind of see this. All right, cool. So now also what you can do is you can also go into hiding or seeking, go down in the bottom left and it'll say hide. If you click true or false, it'll just make it just where you can or you can't see it. So we got the player models. So the player model for the hiding 0.675 and the head is 1.475. For the seeking, the player model is normal size and the head is super long. So let me unhide this and hide that. So boom, got those. Now this is probably the trickiest part. So we got the player model. Now we're gonna want to go to I like to click on seeking. It's the easiest to make sure things actually work out. Go to seeking and you right click and go to event. See that made an unknown event. Then you go down to where it says name and you rename it to transform. Okay. Then you go to where it says operator and you press you press it on the three dots on where it says operator and you press find simple. Then you go up to where it says event, click on the three dots and click on command. And that'll enable a scroll wheel. And go down to where it says find and you press and you type transform on find. And then you want to go up and invert it. So it's red. Then you're going to want to clone it. So on the clone one, then you bring it up here to the hiding one. And then you're going to uninvert it. Boom. See how it's blue. And then how you make, because nothing has changed, put everything up top. And basically the last part is you're going to want to move everything into it. So boom, and boom. And then the same thing for this one, move this to the top, move the player model into that one, and the head into that. And then let me just hide that. And I hide that, and yep. All right, so we got the transform thing to work. So let me save it as long neck example 2. Press where just to be safe. All right, so this is the moment we've all been waiting for. So yeah, just go to do hiding, seeking, those are groups. And then you make player model for both, and you make a bone, which it would be automatically, I think, it turns into head for both. And so for hiding, player model 0.675 for the size, and then player model for seeking is just normal. Don't change anything like that. And for the head on hiding, is for the size 1.475, make it a little bit bigger. And for the seeking, for the position to make it a super long neck, like the point of it is. So you're gonna exit. Let me enable SV cheats. So you see, I'm a little dude right now. So say I want to change into the other guy. I'm gonna want to do pack enable 1 first. So pack underscore enable 1, and then you're gonna want to go to pack underscore event transform 2. And then boom, see how I transform to the little guy. If I try it again, pack underscore event transform 2, transform into the seeker. So yeah, that should be it. I'll help you guys out if you guys have any issues. And then what it should do as well is you want to make sure. So say you're on the seeking team, the hiding team. So you're on the hiding team and your character already isn't, like say you're on the hiding team and your character is this character, you're just going to want to change this back to the regular little guy. And then what should happen is say you were to get caught or say it's the next round and you're a seeker, it should just automatically, without you having to do any of this, have you be the other player model. So I think this transform thing at the start of the game, just do it, make sure everything is set up, and then I'm pretty sure after this everything is fine. You don't have to do the console. So the 3 things you got to do. So SV cheats is what I'll do. SV cheats 1. Then you're going to want to enable it. So pack underscore enable 1. And then last but not least, you're going to want to just make sure that this works. So pack underscore event transform 2. Boom. and just make sure you're on the right team, or else you're gonna be having a long neck on the hires team, and you don't want to do that. So, hope this helps you. I hope this helps you guys out. Sutter, and yeah, let me know.